Is it possible to build an automatic cutoff charger for a lithium-ion battery with just one component? Yeah, it is possible. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to build a very effective auto cutoff charger for a lithium-ion battery with just one component. This circuit is so effective that it will stop the charging of a lithium-ion battery when the battery reaches a voltage of 4 volts. And for this build, you are not gonna spend a dime, because these components are very easy to find. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So what is this component and where can we find it? This component is a FUBU rectifier that you can find in any power circuit. And also they come in different sizes depending on the wattage. I took mine from an old charger. You can as well take this from an AC bulb. The FUBU rectifier has 4 terminals. 2 terminals for the input and 2 terminals for the output. The input is indicated with an AC sign and then the output is marked minus and plus, which is negative and positive output. So how can we use this to charge a lithium-ion battery or to build an auto cutoff circuit for a lithium-ion battery? We are going to connect a USB cable to the inputs. The USB can be connected either ways. There is no need for polarity. And now we're going to solder some wires to the output of the rectifier where we're going to connect the lithium-ion battery. So let's hook it up and see if it actually works. So now we're going to hook up the circuit to a 5-volt charger and measure the input and also the output. So now we're going to measure the output voltage. So as you can see here guys, we have a voltage of 4.6 volts. So now let's measure the input voltage. And as you can see guys, at the input we have a voltage of 5.2 volts. So now let's hook up a lithium-ion battery and see if it's actually going to charge. So the maximum charge of a lithium-ion battery is 4.2 volts. And the output of our circuit is producing 4.6 volts. That is without any load. So if there's a load on the circuit, the output of the circuit will be 4.3 volts, as you can see here. So guys, this circuit will charge a lithium-ion battery and cut off the charging at 4.3 volts. And remember, this circuit will only charge one lithium-ion battery. If you want to charge more lithium-ion battery in parallel, you should use a bigger rectifier. So now we're going to measure the voltage of this battery and then hook it up to the circuit and see if it's actually going to charge. As you can see here, the voltage on the battery is 2.8 volts, which means the battery is very low. So now we're going to hook up the battery to the circuit and charge. But before we charge the battery, we're going to connect our multimeter to measure the voltage before we connect the USB. So as we hook up the USB to the power supply, the voltage increases, which indicates that the battery is charging. So we're going to leave the circuit to charge the battery to its maximum, and then we're going to come back and measure the voltage again. So guys, after some minutes, the battery stopped charging, which indicates that the circuit has automatically cut off the charging. So now we're going to discharge the USB from the power source. And here guys, as you can see, the circuit automatically stopped the charging. And now we're going to hook it back into the power supply. And as you can see, there is no increase in voltage. This shows that the circuit is very effective at charging a lithium-ion battery. So guys, support the channel by giving us a thumbs up and also hitting that subscribe button. Stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.